I'm GayLyn's, and I've been taking lessons at SLC Guitar for 2.5 years. I decided to look for lessons after I tried playing a lot as a kid, and I couldn't remember anything, and I just didn't know what I didn't know, so I gave it up and didn't play for probably about 20 years, maybe so. And I started back up here about 2.5 years ago, and I've learned more here than I've learned ever. So it's awesome. So for me, I don't have a lot of time to practice. I run 4 businesses, so it's been hard for me to figure out where to practice and when to practice and what to practice. Now I'm here, the courses tell you exactly how to practice and what to practice, and follow it. That's what you need, because it does work. You'll get so much better, so much faster than just spending, a whole year trying to work on something and you're not getting any better at it. I think I saw the improvement pretty fast. As far as like learning fretboard and learning how to move your fingers and learning how to hold the guitar right and hold the pick right. And once you get all of that, and just listening to how the program's written, yeah, I think I learned pretty quick. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. Talking on speed, I would say it's definitely hard for me. This is not something that comes easy, but practicing the right way and knowing how to practice the right way and what to practice has been super helpful. I can definitely play a heck of a lot faster than I ever thought I would. And the notes are clear, you can hear them, so that's good. The speed has definitely improved, for sure. Learning the way that we have been taught, it has been awesome. We end up learning so much and not realizing it. We will do multi things at the same time, where we're not just like hammering down on theory and being bored to death with it and not being able to play. You're doing all of it at the same time. So learning this way is it's the best. I'm definitely glad that I came here. I have no regrets. The guitar has definitely become more of my life than it was in the past. I've always loved music. I've always loved guitar. I've always loved I've wanted to play it so bad, and it doesn't come easy to me. So having the courses tell me how to play I need that. It's so rewarding to be able to play, and it's something that you have for the rest of your life that no one can ever take. It's always yours. It's so worth it.